When learning a new language, prepositions may seem small, but they can completely change the meaning of a sentence. In Russian, verbs often pair with specific prepositions, and choosing the right one is essential. Today, we are looking at the verb играть, which means to play, and the difference between играть в, играть на, and играть с. Before we dive into prepositions, let's look at how the verb играть is conjugated in the present tense. Knowing how to use this verb correctly is key to forming natural sentences. Я играю, ты играешь, он, она играет, мы играем, вы играете, они играют. Now that you've got the conjugation down, let's talk about prepositions. First, we have играть в, which is used when talking about playing a game or a sport. Think of it as participating in a structured activity with rules, a goal, and often competition. The preposition в takes the accusative case, meaning the noun after it changes accordingly. For example, мы играем в футбол. We play soccer. Они играют в настольные игры. They are playing board games. Now let's talk about играть на, which is used when referring to musical instruments. Since instruments are tangible objects used to create sound, we use на instead of в. The preposition на takes the instrumental case, meaning the noun after it changes accordingly. Я играю на гитаре. I play the guitar. Она играет на пианино. She plays the piano. Finally, we have играть с, which is used when talking about playing with an object or person rather than participating in a structured game or playing an instrument. It emphasizes interaction. The preposition с in this case takes the instrumental case, meaning the noun after it changes accordingly. Ребенок играет с игрушками. The child plays with toys. Она играет с кошкой. She is playing with a cat. Let's review two sentences. Ребенок играет с мячом. The child plays with the ball. This phrase focuses on handling the ball rather than playing a structured game. That's why here we use the preposition с. Дети играют в мяч во дворе. The children are playing ball in the yard. This phrase implies an organized game rather than just tossing or holding a ball. That's why the preposition в is used. Now that you know the difference, try making your own sentences in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Russian language tips. See you next time and happy learning!